Let's list out the ingredients for the marination process. First we have the boneless chicken 500 grams, salt as per your taste, ginger garlic chili paste 1 tablespoon, 1 egg, 1 cup maida, 1 cup corn flour. Now mix all the ingredients in a bowl so that it can be prepared for marination process and marinated for 30 minutes. Now add oil in a pan and wait for some moments so that it gets heated up. Now add the marinated chicken for deep frying. Make sure the chicken doesn't stick to one another and it's evenly spread out throughout the pan. Fry the chicken pieces until it's crisp and golden brown. Now you can see that the chicken pieces are juicy and golden brown. And transfer all the fried chicken and keep them aside in a separate bowl. And next we'll list out the ingredients for the sauce after transferring all the chicken pieces into the bowl. First we have the ginger garlic chili paste, a few green chilies, 2 big sliced onions, 2 chopped bell peppers, soya sauce, corn flour mixed with water, tomato sauce, and coriander. Now add some oil in a pan and allow it to heat. Now add the ginger garlic chili paste into it and saute it well. Now add the green chilies into it. Now add the sliced onions into the pan and fry them until it turns golden brown. Now you can see that the onions are golden brown, and now you can add the chopped bell peppers into the pan and mix the veggies properly. Now you can add salt. You can add salt as per your taste palette. And mix it well. Add tomato sauce. Add soya sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Add the corn flour water mixture. Now as the veggies are fried properly, add 250 ml of water into the pan. Let the mixture boil until there are no lumps of corn flour residue which is observed in the sauce. Now add all the fried chicken into the pan. And allow it a couple of moments so that all the sauce gets soaked up into the chicken pieces and it's plump and delicious. Add coriander for extra flavor. You can close the pan with the lid and allow it a couple of moments. Now your chili chicken manchurian is ready to eat.